In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable MFA or multi-factor authentication for NordPass. This process will add an additional layer of security to your NordPass account, which is essential for keeping your personal information safe. Now, let's get started. First, you'll need to access your Nord account. You can do this by logging in on the NordPass website. Alternatively, if you're already using the NordPass desktop app, you can simply click the settings button and follow the prompt, which will open your account settings in a web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see a section labeled Account Settings, and this is where you manage various security features for your account, including MFA, which we are focusing on today. Next, you'll want to navigate over to the multi-factor authentication settings. To do this, find the Account Settings page and look for either the tab labeled Multi-Factor Authentication or one that says Manage MFA. As a security measure, you might be asked to verify your email address through a code sent to your inbox. Once you've confirmed your email, you'll be ready to set up MFA. Now let's talk about setting up the Authenticator app. Look for the Setup or Setup next to Authenticator app option and click on it. This will bring up a QR code on the screen. Open your Authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator or the NordPass Authenticator, and scan the QR code. After scanning, your Authenticator app will begin generating codes for you. Enter the 6-digit code provided by the app on the NordPass page to complete the setup. Don't forget to save your backup codes in a secure location. They're crucial if you lose access to your Authenticator app. If you prefer a physical security method, you can also choose to set up a security key. To do this, select Set Up next to Security Key. Follow the on-screen instructions to register your security key. This key acts as a physical device that you will need to have with you whenever you log into your NordPass account. It's another excellent way to add security to your account. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've just enhanced the security of your NordPass account with multi-factor authentication. Whether you choose an Authenticator app or a security key, these methods offer excellent ways to safeguard your sensitive information. Thanks for watching and stay secure.